Java Beats exclusive. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to do a reinstall of my 360 lace wig that I have for a while now. So yes, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to throw the wig on and secure it. That's all I'm doing. So let's jump right into the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. The only thing I did to the hair was flat iron it. I had already given it some layers because it was curly, and you know, gave it layers and whatever. So yes, that's the finished look. I'm just throwing some makeup. Yeah, and that's it. That's it for me reinstalling my 360 lace wig. I didn't tap the back, I only tapped the front, and ended up I had to use some of the some of the ghost band guys to hold it down real good, because it keeps on coming up and we can't believe that, because they don't know it's a girl at for the weekend. You don't wanna go nowhere. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you come back. And remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think, okay? Mwah.